Hey everybody! So this painting turned out way better than I ever could have imagined. It almost looks like alcohol ink. Um, it's just amazing. And the sides, every part of it is so cool. So I'm going to try and reproduce this on a larger wood panel. That's an 8 by 8. So this is a 10 by 10 and it has the thicker edges. Um, but instead of using the white Arteza pouring acrylic for the base, since I don't have enough of it, I'm going to use my regular house paint for the base. And we're going to find out if doing the exact same pour, both on wood, so that's the same, both primed the same way. Doing it with the house paint creates a different look. If the colors still stay as vibrant, if they kind of look, like I said, alcohol ink, almost stained glass. It reminds me of, oi, that was something. Ow, I think I broke all my friggin' fingernails. Ow. I was not paying attention to what I was doing. I was looking at the other painting and thinking how it looks like those sheer scarves that like little kids play with, you know? It looks like those just kind of all piled on top of each other, which is just a beautiful, I love it. And I produced 2 videos in one day because I posted that picture online and it got tons of remarks. So I thought I may as well post the video while people are paying attention to it. So I did have 2 videos released in the same day. So one of them barely had any views and then this one got all the views. So I feel badly for the other one. So go back and watch it so that its feelings aren't hurt. Alrighty. So I am going to just put a thin layer on the bottom. So we got our neon blue. Neon purple. Neon yellow. This isn't the exact order, so I suppose that makes it not an exact, at least I don't think this is the exact order. I can't remember. I suppose I should have watched that video and seen what the exact order was. But I think it is a close enough thing that we can do it. Let me move my chair back and stand up. It is different. Still beautiful. but different. The white ate up some of the paint. The other, it stayed more separate. Each color stayed more separate in it. This one, I think the white, maybe I put too much, I don't know. But it did eat up some of the color. But the result is still beautiful. I really like it. There it is. So different. I kind of want, I'm not going to add to it because it's going to dry it out too much. I was thinking of adding more blue to it, but I used that hairdryer all over it. So now you're looking at that, and then I'll show you this. The colors stayed separate. There's distinct yellow and purple and pink. And this one, there's not as much separation of color. But it's still way cool. Very, very cool. Love the colors. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.